Well, I'm going to make some herby chicken for dinner tonight, and I'm doing it with some pressure cooked lentils that are cooling down here. But I had a bit of a result because we did tapas last night, and these are all the vegetables that are left over. So broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms, some carrots, celery, mine went blank, and endive. So they're all just going into the slow cooker. We also had some lettuce left over from the garden, and I can use this as a vegetable as well. That will do. Now, to give it some flavour, I've got some garlic, I've got some red onion, and that's all going in. I'm going to put that garlic in with the vegetables. Now, I've got some herbs in the garden and I've chopped them up. So if you've got any herbs, I had rosemary, basil, mint, what else? Oh, this is curry plant. So I had all those. So they're all going in with, that's 300 ml of chicken stock, but you can just have ordinary water if you've got no stock. Now I've also got dried herbs, because obviously not everybody can grow herbs. Salt and pepper, 2 pinches of each, and the dried herbs I'm going to put a couple of big pinches, 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. I like it herby. So I'm going to stir that around with the chicken stock, so that's all lovely and herby. Then 2 outdoor chicken breasts, chopped up into bite-sized pieces, and in with the herby mixture. All I've got to do now is put the lid on and let that cook, and I'm going to add in the lentils about halfway through. Bon appetit. So here's the chicken and herbs, and I'm going to serve this in a bowl tonight. I added the lentils in that had been pressure cooked, and the reason they're pressure cooked is to get rid of any lectins, and lectins, as I've been reading, are not good for the gut. They bust holes in your gut and allow bad bacteria into the body. So there we have, put a bit more in this one, chicken and herbs. Smells lovely. Bon appetit.